How to remove the file name from your recent document list in Microsoft Word. In this tutorial, you will only learn this. Watch the tutorial if you're here for this purpose only. So I have already opened up a Microsoft Word. If I go to the file, I will see the recent documents here. Now, first case that if you only want to remove a particular document from this list, for example, algebra fraction, I will right click on this, and from the pop-up menu, you need to click this remove from the list, and that document will go off. Now, although you can one by one, you can right click on every document and you can remove the list, but you'll see that the documents keep adding in from the past. So it will take a lot of time. Now, what if you want to remove all these documents and you don't want any document to be shown here? For that, you have to come here and then click this option. In case your option is not visible, click on this more and then click on option. In the Word option window, you need to click this advanced option, and in the advanced option you will see the different headers in which you will see the various options. So focus on this headers and look for display header. So keep scrolling down and somewhere here you will see this display header, and right in this section, right on the top, you can see that it is written show this number of recent documents, and by default it is 50. So you just need to click select 0 here and click OK. Now if I go back to the file, and I can see that my all recent documents are gone. And needless to mention that if you want to see them again, you need to just go back and from the advanced and then going to the display section. Here you can select, let's say I select the 5 documents which I want to see in the recent documents. So if I go back, I'll see the 5 documents here. That's it. End of tutorial.